Content creators are now starting their online communities and making way more money by monetizing their content and skills. To do the same, you need a platform with all the necessary tools. Today, we're comparing two of the best platforms, Nas.io and KAJABI. We're going to discuss their similarities and differences, then make the verdict. We will cover user experience, integrations, pricing, monetization options. And make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to show the new and exciting way creators are earning thousands online. First, let's make a general comparison. Nas.io is a free community platform where creators have multiple ways to earn money, including paid challenges, events, and online courses, and even offer one-on-one coaching sessions for both your followers and community members. KAJABI, on the other hand, allows you to create and sell courses, get paid for exclusive content, and offer services. Now, let's dive deeper into specific features of these platforms and which one will give you the easiest and fastest way to build your creator business. First, let's talk about the user experience. Both have apps and website versions, but let's see how they work. Setting up a community on Nas.io is very quick. You can sign up through Nas.io/create community. Name your community, upload an image, add a description, and you're done. You can now access all their features. Then, you will have a landing page where members and even leads will find everything you offer inside your community and join directly from there. It's straightforward, simple, and comprehensive. When creating a KAJABI account, you need to choose a payment plan right away before you can start setting up your community. KAJABI's community landing pages can be customized. If you have web design experience, you will enjoy this feature. However, if you don't, you can pay extra to use one of their templates. Next, integrations. Communication is key for a successful online community. For this part, you need to be particular about making interactions easy and convenient. KAJABI communities primarily use emails for communication, or you can create your live chat using Zapier integration. Nas.io's communication option is my favorite. It lets you integrate today's chat platforms like WhatsApp. All you have to do is paste the chat links on Nas.io to connect, and anyone who joins your community will be added to these groups. Most people have WhatsApp on their phones, so your community members stay engaged. Now, let's compare their pricing. KAJABI's payment plan starts at $149 to $399 a month, with discounts if you pay annually. If you want to test the waters, they offer a 14-day free trial, then you will need to pay the fee. Nas.io is a free community platform. It simply means you don't need to pay anything to start making money from your community. You will only pay a revenue share after you make your first sales, with an option to charge it to yourself or paying members. And lastly, monetization options. KAJABI and Nas.io's monetization is a tight contest. They both host online courses and have one-on-one coaching tools, challenges, and paid membership options. But let's talk about paid online challenges. It's the newest and fastest way for creators to make money online. Some of them earn as much as $50,000 by running a 30-day paid challenge. Challenges on KAJABI are for your paying community members only. You can customize access groups manually, and you can see a member's entry on the feed. Nas.io also has its paid challenge feature, apart from its paid membership option. Anyone can join your challenge, which creates a bigger market for you. Using this challenge GPT, you can generate challenge ideas based on your niche, or you can do what other creators are doing, turning their online courses into a challenge. Just create checkpoints and upload your resources, and you will have a challenge landing page that you can share by inviting your community members and social media followers. Your participants can update their progress on the go using the Nas.io app. When it comes to upselling, paid challenges on Nas.io let you reach more people and eventually invite them to be a part of your community. And now we've come to a verdict. KAJABI offers extensive tools to customize your community and earn from your content. But it requires an established community and funds for its payment plans to start generating revenue. Nas.io is simple, easy, and has flexible monetization options. You can choose to build your community first or invite them right away to your challenge. Nas.io's challenge feature stands out as the best option for creators looking to monetize their communities quickly and effectively. The flexibility to invite anyone to participate, combined with easy setup, makes NAS.io an obvious choice for building and growing a successful community. The creator economy is shifting rapidly, so choose a platform you can use now before everyone else catches on. If you find this comparison helpful for your online creator business, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Make money from online communities today.